Okay, so I walk into the Chinese visa application office with all my paperwork, and I get there, and the visa application that the girl from my job gave me was wrong. Thankfully, here at the visa application office, they have a copy machine, they have a photo booth, they have everything, because people are probably also like me getting wrong information from people. Anyway, so I finish everything, I get up to the counter, and the guy's like, oh no, sorry, you have to extend your visa in Thailand before you can apply for this permit. What? And I was like, well, no, I get 30 days. He's like, oh no, this says the 6th. And like, I'm panicking, like, oh my gosh. The way it was stamped, he couldn't see the 1, but it was 1 on there. And I was like, dude, there's a 1 here. He went and asked his colleague, and they're like, oh, okay. Anyway, in the end, my application is submitted. I have to pay cash when I pick it up, because they just don't take credit card here. I mean, you can't come back to Bangkok and not go to one of the temples. I mean, there's so many here, right? So, how long have you been working here? Not a man of many words.